Hi folks, Rich from Have Moto Will Travel here. Listen, I'm lucky enough, as some of you might have noticed in my videos, to have a phone case and a phone that fit directly into that little space where you would normally see your radio information. And that gives me almost like built-in Android car. Really cool. There's an app that I use on that I want to show you today. It's right up here. It's called Car Home Ultra. Let me show you how it works. Hi guys, this is Rich from Have Moto Will Travel, and on this episode of Motorcycle Confessions I'm going to do a quick video showing you an app that I use on my motorcycle that makes it very convenient to use my phone. It's called Car Home Ultra, and I've got it right here. You can see this is the screen that I have set up for my motorcycle travels. I've got real-time weather, I've got my navigation. I've got two apps that help me with my accommodations when I'm on the road. You know I'm a fan of Motel 6. And the bottom row there is the are apps that help me control my camera and my GoPro camera and my Get Up, Get 2 camera and my phone camera also, so that if I want to use my phone as a dash cam photographing or videoing myself, I can do that. You can have these blocks programmed with speed dials, or as I do on this, my motorcycle screen, various access to various apps on your phone. It really is just an easy way to access things while you're moving. It works well on the motorcycle, and it gives me the ability to control my phone without fumbling around or closing my eyes to try and hit that little icon. Over on the left side of the screen, you can see here, this one gives me my temperature, my percent battery charge, the temperature of the battery, and what voltage it's charging at. Or if it's charging, it's not right now, but you could see that when I plug in a charger, you'll see that it actually changes. You get the charge notification. There you go. You get the charge notification. Right below it, I have mine set as a compass, and you can see as I'm turning the phone right now. You can't see that, but you can see that changes as I turn the phone. And below that, my easy, quite a bit bigger than what's up in the corner there, is the time and the date. So a very convenient app, guys. I'm just letting you have a look at it. I'm going to review some other apps on my channel as well. Some of these apps actually that are on this screen. And those will be coming in future videos. But for now, that's it. That's all I've got on this particular app. Give it a try. It's Car Home Ultra. It's available on the Play Store. I don't get paid anything for this. This is just my opinion of this app. It's Car Home Ultra. I think it's $4.99 to buy the license. They do have the free version as well. Give it a try. If you like it, leave me a comment. Also, folks, I'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And for Have Moto Will Travel and this episode of Motorcycle Confessions, that's it. Over and out. Hi folks, Rich from Have Moto Will Travel here. Some of you may have noticed that my Rich from Safe Passage. Rich from Have Moto Will Travel here. Some of you may know. Listen, okay. Rich from Have Rich from Have Moto. Rich from Have Moto will travel here. Okay. Hi folks, Rich from Have Moto will travel here. Some of you